hear anything. This way. Yes. I don't know. So what this is all about actually, I don't understand. But you know, just maybe about this. I don't really good in math. Can you ask her? Yeah. I haven't studied anything about it. Then we should watch till the end and take a lot. Let's go. I think I'm hungry. Yeah, I need to eat first. Eat first. Let's go.
Have you done it? I think we need to go to the classroom now. Zina, have you done eating? Have you finished the food? Not yet, right? Just going to the class. Very late. Did not this? Oh my. I'm still hungry. What? Just now you said food. Fine. Guys! Next class we're gonna have a new chapter, so we need to do a new audit video. So who have an idea? Olga, you're so creative. Yeah. Do you have any idea? But before that, what's our chapter? Yeah. What are we going to learn next week?
About
Audit risk? No. Yes, audit risk.
and sampling. So before that we need to know about the outline first.
Oh, what's the outline?
The outline.
This read, Miss Olga?
Read it out. Assessment of risk. There is the type of risk and audit risk. And then audit risk model, inherent risk, control risk, and detection risk. And last one is sampling. So in sampling, you must know the criteria and the reasonable assurance.
So, all this we need to divide it.
Okay, since we already find our part in the library just now, so I bet all of you have the
Research.
research.
That's your research for it?
Yes, of course.
For the research.
Wait, let me take mine. Where did I will discuss about it.
Don't play. What's your part?
I think it's about type of risk.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
Explain about wait. Firstly, we need to discuss about what
Yeah,
we mean by
audit
the risk.
So who's gonna do that?
Me, of course.
What is audit risk?
From what I understand of this chapter, there's two types of risk. The first one is business risk and audit risk. Okay, the audit risk is where the auditor make a wrong opinion. In this risk, there are three types of risk. The first one is inherent risk, and then control risk. Last one is detection risk. And to understand more about audit risk, there also audit risk model. So I think I pass it to Beth because she know more about each of the risk.
Oh, I see. So I need to explain about what.
Three types of risk.
Right.
Inherent risk, control risk,
Okay.
and detection risk.
So from what I found in the library just now, okay, there are three types of risk, right? The first type is inherent risk, which is the risk of misstatement present because of the inherent nature of the industry, environment, or business structure. And the second type of risk is control risk, which is risk of misstatement as a result of the internal control system. And the last type of risk is detection risk, which means the risk that the auditor failed to detect a material misstatement.
Oh, that. Audit risk model also can be represented by the equation. So the equation is like, so this is the equation audit risk, inherent risk, control risk, and detection risk, or detection risk, audit risk, inherent risk, and control risk. So, do you guys get it?
Yes.
Okay, to make it simple or to make it more understandable, there are some illustration for this model
In terms of a picture to help you visualize this conceptual model. Inherent risk is represented by all those little drops of rain that you see marked as errors falling from the sky. The harder it rains, the more likely we are to get wet. Inherent risk is rain. In some businesses, like say a rental property, inherent risk is minimal because the business is dirt simple. However, in other businesses, say an insurance business, it's a monsoon because of the complexity and the judgments implicit in the business model. That stuff is inherent risk. Think of the strength of the client's internal controls as an umbrella, designed to shield the financial statements from the rain. If the umbrella has holes, then the rain gets through, at which point it all comes down to a choice of raincoat that the auditors put on to keep dry. If the auditors feel that there is risk of a torrential rain and the umbrella is of little protection, they may choose a survival suit, which in audit terms means that they will take all precautions necessary to stay dry. On the other hand, if the rain is more of a mist and the umbrella is more like one of those giant golf umbrellas, then the auditors can probably get away with the simple windbreaker and still be adequately covered. Now let's work through the mechanics of how the model works using a more literal description of each of the four components.
Oh, this one.
simple, right?
So what's next?
Sampling.
We'll talk about something. Oh wait, we're almost time. We need to go home now.
Oh, I forgot.
So, what you guys?
The next day,
So where did we stop yesterday?
We stopped at audit sampling, and I recorded a research about audit sampling. Audit sampling is the use of an audit on a selection of the items within the balance or past transaction. That sample is called representative sample. Representative sample is a subset of population that seeks to accurately reflect the characteristic of the larger entity. The next one you need to know in audit sampling is reasonable assurance. Reasonable assurance is the level of confidence that the financial statements are not materially mistaken. That an auditor is exercising the professional skill and care is expected to obtain from an audit.
The reason why an auditor use sampling audit is because it is cheaper and save the time. In audit sampling, there's two general types. The first one is attribute sampling. Attribute sampling is to evaluate some characteristic about internal control. And secondly, substantive sampling. It is to estimate the dollar error in a client account balance.
What else do we need to know in audit sampling?
Okay. Is everything in an audit done based on sampling basis?
No, sometimes it is necessary to examine the entire set. All material, all individually material is gets audited because when they are misstated, the financial statement also get misstated. But I'm not sure about this one thing. If all sampling are statistical sampling,
No. Attribute sampling and substantive sampling could be either non-statical sampling and statical sampling. Statical sampling is driven by math rather than purely by the auditor, which is non-statical. So, under statical sampling, there are few methods to collect the sample. There are 6 methods to select sample.
So what are those 6?
First is block sampling, second is haphazard sampling, and then personal judgment, and then random sampling, stratified sampling, and last one is systematic sampling.
Can you please explain more about the 6?
Of course. First one is block sampling. Block sampling is consecutive series of items are selected for review. It is maybe efficient, but there is a risk that block items not really reflect the characteristics of the entire population. The second is haphazard sampling. Haphazard sampling is listen.
Okay.
Okay, let me explain. Don't laugh. Haphazard sampling is when the person doing selection will probably skew the selection, and then so the selection is not truly random. And the third one is personal judgment. Personal judgment uses for example, the auditor uses her own judgment to select items. Perhaps favoring items that are higher monetary level or higher level associated with that. And then the next one is random sampling. Random sampling is a random number generator is used to make selection. It must theoretically correct, but it requires more time. And another one is stratified sampling. Stratified sampling is when the auditor splits the population into different sections, and then he will select from each section. The last one is systematic sampling. Systematic sampling taken from the population at fixed interval, such as 20 items, and it tends to be relatively efficient because it is more systematic. So it also called as interval sampling.
So, what is the difference between statistical and non-statistical?
The difference is for statistical methods, the results are objective and defensive because there are clearly mathematical results. And then it also, the audit work is more consistent and it avoids over-auditing. Typically for non-statistical methods, there is a tendency to over-audit in case the sample size is smaller. And the last one is the statistical method is not auditor specific because it is done mathematically. And then for non-statistical methods, it is done by auditors. So it allows for the auditor